Hey guys, what's up? So I was looking through some of my old videos and listening to the audio quality, and I gotta say, I wasn't too happy with the way that it sounded. It didn't sound too professional, and I think a lot of the reason was one, the audio coming out of the Google Pixel 2 XL isn't the best, and even though I added the Rode VideoMicro, which I love, and which is a great vlogging mic, it still wasn't really good for these type of talking situations where I'm just one-on-one talking head type stuff, talking to the camera. So I decided to pick up a Boya M1 lav mic, which you can probably see right here. I haven't listened to this at all. This is the first time I'm doing it, so this is a test for me as well, and I thought I would share it online. So you're listening to the Boya right now, and next I will play a couple of samples coming from the Rode VideoMicro about 2 feet away, and we can compare that. And then I will play the stock Google Pixel 2 XL audio straight from the camera. Now, it's not going to be as crappy as when the phone first came out. That was terrible and it was unusable. So hopefully it's been fixed in that November update, and this will just give you a chance, like if you do videos on your Google Pixel 2, then you can compare, you know, a lav mic versus the Rode VideoMicro versus the built-in microphone if you're looking to get a microphone, and see which one's best for you. I will say that this lav mic will not work for vlogging. You know, when I go to Vietnam soon, and I might take it, but I'm probably not going to use it very often because it's just not practical. Anyway, the next thing will be the Rode VideoMicro. So this is just the sound coming from the Rode VideoMicro. Like I said, this is a great mic for vlogging or just getting started. I think it's around $60, plus you need like a $15 cable to connect it to your smartphone. But I still love it. I'm still going to take it all kinds of places and still use it all the time. Just looking for something more in a studio type situation like this. The next thing will be the built-in Google Pixel 2 XL microphone. Alright, so this is the built-in microphone using the Google Pixel 2 XL. You know, this phone has really terrible audio quality. I've heard other phones that sounded 10 times better. So if you're not using a Pixel, then you may not have to worry about this as much. But for me, the audio quality coming out of this is generally unusable. It has been made a little bit better since the November update, but it still sounds like it's coming out of a tin can. You know, you guys be the judge. It's just YouTube. Whether or not you want to spend the extra money on a microphone is up to you. But here you go. So, yeah. Anyway, you know, if you want, subscribe to the channel. I do all videos related to mobile filmmaking and Google Pixel 2 XL. I'm about to take a trip to Vietnam soon, so if you want to see a vlog about that and some cinematic video, then subscribe, and, you know, we're going to be going in like 3 weeks. So, yeah. Anyway, see you later.